Welcome aboard Ocean Dream, our luxury 26-metre catamaran boutique experience. Follow me and see what it's like. Our alfresco deck is the perfect entertaining area with our long extending table for guests to enjoy all their meals on board Ocean Dream. Here we have our outdoor barbecue area. Here we've got our outdoor lounge area with our beautiful comfortable couch that you can enjoy and relax on during our cruises. But most importantly, we've got our coffee machine. Best coffee in the Kimberley. Let's check out the top deck. Up here, we've got an extra dining area. We've got fishing equipment, our gym equipment, and most importantly, our spa feature. Welcome to our bow. This is the perfect space for you to enjoy your sunset canapes alongside some bubbles, or if you'd prefer, you can lie down, read a book, whilst taking in the beautiful views of the Kimberley. This is our interior. Just behind me, you'll find our indoor dining area that guests can enjoy and eat their delicious meals, accompanied by aircon. To my left is a range of Kimberley knowledge books alongside novels and other books for guests to use during our long steam. In the galley, you'll have your personal chef preparing all of your meals that you'll have on board. This includes continental or cooked breakfast, morning tea, plated lunch, canapes at sunset on the bow, and of course, dinner with dessert. You'll also have a variety of fresh seafood found on board that you will catch yourself. Behind me is our saloon area. This is a great space for guests to enjoy, relax, read a book, or enjoy one of the DVDs that we have on board. Here on Ocean Dream, we aim to make your stay as comfortable as possible, as this will be your home during your stay. Come check out your onboard accommodation. We have 6 luxury staterooms, 5 queen beds and 1 twin bed, just in case you come on holiday with a friend. As you can see, they're all very comfortable. Each of them has their own ensuite bathroom, and they are all serviced daily. So what are you waiting for? Come and book your holiday on Ocean Dream and enjoy the picturesque Kimberley on board.